Using your governance is as easy as following the headings down the page in your governance module. From clicking on this, you're able to add in the details in the section that you require. You will notice that there is an Add New button in almost every single section here that allows you to add any other details that are required. If you're interested in editing the clients, all you have to do is click on the Clients tab, see the different tabs that are here at the top, and click on each one and add any type of information such as desired retirement age, professional contacts, and/or notes. Here you have the option to do voice to text so that you can add in any notes that you wish via the voice to text function, and this will help you save some time. In the family section here, you can add in any family or relatives as to how they're related to the client. Clicking on business or trust here, you're able to add in details like companies or trusts or other entities that you may have depending on the tax structure that you choose. You can add the details that are required. For example, company here has the standard tab, directors tab, succession plan, and the notes. And clicking on trust, you also have another standard, trustees or notes. And clicking on external entity, you can go ahead and type in the name and the notes, but then also filter. Next, you have assets financial, where you're able to have the investment financial account or the investment property. Here you can go ahead and put an account type, have that saved, or you can go ahead and do investment property, put in a description, ownership, value, and save that as well. Other assets, you can go ahead and click on them, such as real estate, vehicle, or other assets. In the liabilities section, this is where you can add things like their current liabilities. Say, for example, if they've gotten a mortgage or maybe a credit card, you can also link the liabilities to the assets that you might have previously captured as well. For example, you can click on loan, add that information in, or you can click on credit card and also add that information in. This one is income, where you can start to add the client's salary. You might also want to add in other incomes that the client might be receiving, say for instance, income from a rental property or any other savings or investments that may be generating an income from, such as salary, pension, other income, or Social Security. Here you can add in the salary information, pension or annuity information in this one. Other income here, like we said, rental property or Social Security information here. Here you can also add an expense. This can be managed through the budgeting tool, which you'll find under living and discretionary within the budgeting tool. It will allow you to fill in the client's details. If you click on the simple expense breakdown, you can go ahead and add in that information here. But then you can also go ahead and click on the detailed expense breakdown, where you can actually go in and add more information, such as your living main, living additional, discretionary, and/or the notes. And you're able to split this up time-wise as well. Insurance here is where you can include life ticketing, income protection, as well as any other general insurance that the client may have, perhaps vehicle landlords or context protection. You can click on life insurance, add that there. Disability insurance information, long-term care information, or umbrella information, health information here, and other if there's any other type of insurance that you would like to add. Then we have estate planning. This is where you can add any estate details that need to be kept on file, like the will, power of attorney, or perhaps the beneficiaries as well. If you click on each of them individually, you will have options here with the different tabs, as I just mentioned, for each of the different couples here that you're able to add. Here we have education planning that you can do about savings for school, whether or not you have it. And then here you have tax planning, which basically talks about any tax plan changes or tax return uploads that you're able to upload. And then charitable planning here, which is whether or not you'll be contributing or whether or not you have a foundation or not, which you can answer. Overall, governance allows you to keep all of the client's personal details and financial information that you find most important all in one spot. This will help Power by making your engaging experience for both you and the advisor.